Hello, hi. Lazima niko na sauti hivyo, right? Are you sure you are looking at me? Are you sure? Hey guys, allow me to hey, hi. Guys, I know. I'm so cute. Hi guys, hello. Hey, allow me.
Wool up, just wool up.
Imitate. Hi guys, allow me to hello you guys. Allow me to what's up, to what it do, to what's popping, and to most definitely wagwan you guys. If you are a new subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing and clicking this video. If you are a faithful subscriber, you are the real deal. Thank you for sharing, for commenting, and for liking this video. So here are my hoop earrings. Let me focus for you guys. Let me find the focus. So you see, these hoop earrings are tarnished. I hope you guys can see. There, they are tarnished. They have lost their original color. Therefore, something must be done. Something must be done. Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys what you only need. Imagine you only need your tarnished hoop earrings and imagine a nail polish, but not just any nail polish. You need the glittery one, the glittery one. Yeah, you need the glittery one. Yeah, imagine guys, you only, and this one is very affordable. You can get it at a very cheap price at any beauty local store. Yes, it's time to do our practicals. Yeah, this channel is about practicality and giving solutions. You see, please share this video with a friend. Help a friend out, help a sister out. Ladies, I know you have ever bought a fake earring and after a while you threw them away. There is no need. Janice is here to save you, yeah, to give you solution. Okay. Let's jump right in to it. So I'll have to change you guys.
Kiirya Beats on the track.
So I don't know if you guys can actually see the progress, but I bet you are seeing some glitterish, so you'll have to put it aside for a while to let it dry, and then we'll come back and see the progress. So I'm putting it somewhere for it to dry, and then we will see the progress. So we take our second hoop, who told Kenyans you're supposed to be doing this? This is our second hoop earring, and I'm just applying it slowly, making sure that every part that is tarnished, has glitters. It has the glitter nail polish. So our second hoop earring is done. Here we have our new hoop earrings. Let me find the focus for you again. Here. Munaniona. As simple as that. Let me now wear my hoop earrings. But then guys, I do not wear the stud earrings, because I find them so weird on me. I don't know why. Forever you will find me wearing a hoop earring, whether I'm dressly smart, whether what. So guys, whether I am smartly dressed or just dressed, whether it goes with my outfit, I'm looking for them. Yeah, whether it goes with my outfit or not, you just find me wearing my hoops. You see guys, if we imagine if you have not shared, you do not share. Imagine if you do not share this video with a friend, how will they know? So please make sure you share, you comment, you subscribe, and you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell their sister to tell their sister's friend to come and subscribe. I hope I have helped someone. I hope I have helped someone. Guys, thank you so much if you have reached to this. Thank you so much if you have reached to this part of the video. Guys, thank you so much. I really mean it. Thank you so much. Remember, we are going to 200 subscribers. 200. Currently I think we are at 155, if I'm not, yeah, 155. I have just checked before starting this video. So road to 200 subs before the end of this week. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, and it's a wrap. Bye guys.